Hello, good day everyone. Today we will see how to create another 3D lamp table design in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. First go drawing units, line type decimal, position 0, insertion scale, set unit millimeters. Okay, now go view control, select top view, go visual style control, select 2D wireframe. Okay, click here, click view. Okay, now go circle, C, enter, center point, radius to 12.5 millimeter, enter, Z, enter, E, enter, zoom, extend, move, M, enter, select object, again circle, C, enter, center point, radius 125, enter. Okay, go line, L, enter, first point, next point, repeat line, first point, angle -45, enter. Okay, click here, again circle, C, enter, center point, radius 12.5 millimeter, enter, again circle, center point, radius 5 millimeter. Okay, copy, CO, enter, select object, enter, base point, click here. Okay, click here. Okay, move, M, enter, select object. Okay, go view control, select SW isometric, copy, CO, enter, select object, select, enter, base point, copy distance 200, enter, type from, enter, click here, again distance 70 millimeter, enter. Okay, exit, again copy, select object, enter, base point, copy distance 470, enter. Okay, delete. Now go modeling, click here, select loft, select object, select, okay, enter, go settings, tick normal to, click here, start and end cross section, select. Okay, again go circle, C, enter, center point, radius 10 millimeter, enter. Okay, go modeling, click here, extrude, select circle, enter, extrusion height 20 millimeter, enter. Okay, copy, CO, enter, select circle. Okay, copy here. Now go modeling, select sweep, select object, enter, select base point, click. Okay, select base point, click here, sweep path, select. Okay, again sweep, select object, enter, base point, select base point, select path. Okay, again go circle, C, enter, center point, radius 225, enter. Okay, select circle, move, M, enter, base point, distance 20 millimeter, enter. Okay, go modeling, click here, extrude, select circle, enter, extrusion height 10 millimeter, enter. OK. Go solid, fillet edge, radius 3 millimeter, enter. Select edge, OK, enter, enter. Now go material browser, AutoCAD library, select glass, blue-green glass, drag and drop. AutoCAD library, select stone, fine polished white, select, drag and drop. OK. AutoCAD library, select metal, aluminium dark, select, drag and drop. Select stainless polish, drag and drop. OK. Select blue green, edit, click here. Sheet of glass 1, reflectance 10. OK. Close. Select object, select, select. Now go material browser, stainless polish, right click, assign to selection. OK. Select object, aluminium dark, assign to selection. OK. Select object, blue green, assign to selection. OK. Now go view control, select top, home tab, click here, select view. OK. Plane surface, OK. Go view control, select front, move element, select plane surface, down 12.5 millimeter, enter. OK. Go view control, select SW isometric, select world coordinate. OK. Select plane surface, fine polish white, assign to selection. OK. Go array, select pole array, select object, select, enter. Center point, items 10 items, enter, enter. OK. Select array set, explode, go union, select object, OK. Select object, enter. Select solid object, select solid object, right click, select similar. OK. Now go isolate object, hide object, select 2D line, erase, unisolate object, end object isolation. OK. Go visual style control, realistic. OK, let's see. OK. Go view control, select SW isometric, right click here, perspective select, go visualize, render, render environment, turn on environment, use custom background, tick background, click, select solid, color. OK. OK. Rotation 30, enter, close, render size Full HD TV, set enter, zoom. Okay, now render. Okay, render complete. Okay, it's okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.